Hey everyone, welcome back to First Dollar Investor. Today I'm breaking down my full monthly investing routine as an 18-year-old UK investor. This is exactly how I manage my £3,500 portfolio, how I decide what to buy each month, and the habits I follow to stay consistent, even when the market is red. If you're a beginner or you're trying to build a routine that actually works long term, this video will help you see how I do it step by step. So first, my investing routine is actually very simple. I only invest once a month, and that's on payday. That's the main pillar of everything I do. A lot of people think you need to invest every week or constantly chase the best deal. But honestly, the biggest thing that's helped me grow consistently is treating investment like a monthly bill. Every time I get paid, a portion goes straight into my portfolio. No overthinking, no timing, just routine. I don't use auto invest because I like having control and I enjoy manually choosing where my money goes each month. It helps me learn and it keeps me engaged in the process of investing. Even though I only invest once a month, I still check my portfolio twice a day. It's a guilty pleasure. Once at market open and once at market close. This definitely isn't necessary for long-term investors like me, but it works. Helps me stay aware of how different ETFs and stocks move throughout the day, and it's taught me a lot about how the market behaves. The important thing is that I'm not checking it emotionally, I'm checking it out of curiosity. I don't panic if I see that I'm losing money. Whether my portfolio is up or down, my plan never changes. When I actually open my portfolio, I'm not obsessing over tiny price movements. I'm mainly looking at a few important things. My overall percentage change throughout the day or month. Any sharp increases or decreases, such as a 10% loss that you may see on Trading 212 as a notification. My weightings and whether anything is drifting too far away from my set targets, and my dividend schedule for the month. Dividends have become a big part of my strategy, so I always like to see what's being paid in the next few weeks. I use the Stock Events app for this, and I pay the premium price for it. Honestly, the app has made tracking dividends so much easier. I also keep a notes page on my phone where I write down every dividend I receive. It's simple, but it keeps me motivated. Seeing those payments slowly increase is one of the best feelings ever. When it comes to actually investing on payday, I don't follow any strict rules, but I do follow a very certain pattern. Some months I focus on building my dividend pies, increasing the dividends I would then earn from it. Other months I focus more on increasing my core ETFs such as EQQQ, FTWG and ARKI. This balance keeps my portfolio growing in two ways: long-term growth from my ETFs and short-term cash flow from dividend holdings. I don't time the market, I don't try to predict whether next month will be green or red. I just invest into the areas of my portfolio that feel right or look underweight at that moment. If one ETF has fallen more than usual, I might add a little more or move some money from savings, but only if it already fits my long-term strategy. There's no gambling, no chasing hype, just consistent, managed growth. Now, why does consistency matter so much? The biggest thing I have learned in my first year of investing is that consistency beats everything. It beats timing markets, it beats trying to find the next big stock, and it beats reacting emotionally when things go red. By investing once a month, every month, and making sure I'm always buying, sometimes when prices are high and sometimes when they're lower. But over time, this balances out and is called dollar cost averaging. This makes the whole journey a lot smoother. Even checking twice a day hasn't made me impulsive because I always go back to my monthly plan. It keeps me grounded, focused, and in control. One part of my routine that I've really started taking seriously is my end of month review. At the end of each month I look at how much I've invested, how much my portfolio grew, and how much I've earned in dividends. This takes 5 minutes, but it makes the entire journey feel more real. I can literally see my progress month by month, and that's what keeps me motivated to stay consistent. This is why the end of month videos will always be how my portfolio has performed. Now, what are my final thoughts? At the end of the day, my routine is never complicated. I invest once a month, I track dividends, and I stay aware of my portfolio. The most important part though is I stay consistent, even on the red days. If you're building your own routine, don't copy mine. Build one that fits your lifestyle, your goals, and your risk tolerance. What matters is that you have a routine and you stick to it long enough to see the results every month. Thank you for watching, and let me know in the comments, what does your monthly investing routine look like? I'll see you in the next video.